Oh boy. Oh, it's kind of cold. Listen, I just want to let you guys know the Tello flew away. It got stuck in a tree over here. If it wasn't for that tree there, believe me, it would have been long gone. But there was about 20% battery left, and I was going to bring it in, and I turned around. To land it, and it just took off. It just took off. I guess the bind got lost or whatever, and it just ran for the hills. But luckily, it hit a tree and got stuck in the tree. The only problem is it's about God, it seems like it's at least 80 feet up. And I went down there. I mean, I'm freaking 60 years old, man. I'm too old for this crap. I went down there and tried to shake the tree, and I threw a bunch of rocks at it. I missed it by an inch just once, but that doesn't even mean that it would have let, that it even would have let go even if I would have hit it, because it looks like it's on that branch pretty good. And you know the way that frame is with all them holes in there, so that thing must have got clipped on there pretty good, because I shook the hell out of that tree and it didn't even budge. Then I tried to start it, thinking that might break it loose, but then the battery was too low. It said takeoff failed, battery low, because it was down to 20% and I was bringing it down anyway, and it just took off. I got the video. I'll show you the video when I get it edited and all that crap. But yeah, adios amigo to the Tello. I won't buy another one of them things, I can tell you right now. It did fly a lot better since I updated the firmware, but there was still tons of lag. There was still a lot of lag in the controls and all that crap. So, hey, good riddance to garbage, okay? Whatever that saying is, see you later, Tello, okay? I won't be getting another one of those things for sure. What a waste of money. All right, guys, I'll talk to you later. I'm going to see if you can spot where the Tello is. I'm going to try to zoom it in as much as I can. It's right, I would say, dead in the center of the picture right there. You'll see this little black thing. That's where the Tello is. See you later, Tello, because look, that's a big ass tree. There's no way in hell that I'm getting that thing out of there. So, adios, Tello. It wasn't that hot anyway, so I'm not missing nothing. I'll play with the Mavic Air.